You are not going to believe what I built on this wall for less than the cost of a single takeout meal. Every piece you're about to see looks like it came from a boutique garden store, but it all came from Dollar Tree. Today I'm sharing 10 genius vertical garden hacks that turn the simplest supplies into designer-style living decor. If you've got a blank wall, a tiny balcony, a small patio, or even just a sunny window, this is going to completely change how you use your space. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, where we grow beautifully no matter the budget. If you love smart garden ideas that actually look expensive but aren't, make sure you're subscribed and tap that like button so more people can discover budget-friendly gardening inspiration. And before we jump in, tell me in the comments, where are you watching from today? I love seeing how far this gardening community reaches, and it helps me tailor ideas for different climates and spaces. Now let's get into these vertical garden hacks. Hack number 1. The wooden crate ladder wall. This hack brings warmth and texture into your vertical garden, and it instantly gives off that cozy farmhouse or rustic boutique feel. Grab a few small wooden crates or baskets from Dollar Tree, and mount them on the wall in a staggered stair-step pattern. Instead of lining them up perfectly straight, shift each crate slightly higher than the last so the arrangement feels dynamic and intentional. Once secured, place lightweight nursery pots inside each crate rather than filling the crates directly with soil. This keeps the overall weight manageable, and makes plant swaps easy whenever you want to refresh the look. To elevate the finish, stain or whitewash the crates before mounting them, so they all share the same tone. That single step removes the raw craft store look and gives you something that feels custom-made. You can even add small chalkboard labels to the front of each crate with the plant names for a subtle decorative touch. When styled with trailing plants on the top tier and fuller greenery below, the entire setup becomes a layered vertical feature that doubles as living decor and practical plant storage, all while taking up zero floor space. Hack number 2. The repurposed guttering planter wall. This is a genius way to mimic those expensive magazine-style vertical gardens using simple Dollar Tree supplies. Instead of real guttering, use long narrow plastic storage trays or bins. Mount 3 to 4 of them horizontally on a fence or wall in staggered rows, securing each tray with zip ties, jute or screws depending on your surface. Fill them with trailing herbs, flowers, or small vegetables, and you instantly have a layered cascading wall garden. The staggered rows create movement and depth, so it feels like a purpose-built installation rather than a DIY hack. To make it look polished, paint the trays to match your wall or fence so they blend in and let the plants shine. For outdoor setups, drill a couple of small holes at the back of each tray, and anchor them to the wall for extra stability against wind or rain. When your plants start spilling over the edges and filling the rows, the effect is lush, vertical, and intentional. A living wall that looks far more elaborate than its humble beginnings. Perfect for fences, shed walls, or balcony enclosures. Hack number 3. The hanging bottle hydroponic herb garden. If you love the idea of fresh herbs in your kitchen, but hate the mess of soil on your counters, this one is going to feel like a game changer. Using clear glass bottles or bud vases from Dollar Tree, you can create a suspended hydroponic herb display that looks clean, modern, and almost like something you'd see in a boutique cafe. Hang the bottles at staggered heights near a sunny window, using Overdoor hooks, a tension rod, or a mounted dowel. Then fill each one with water and place your herb cuttings inside. The transparency of the glass lets you see the roots develop, which adds this subtle natural detail that makes the whole setup feel alive and intentional. To keep it functional and polished, wrap the base of the herb stems loosely with a bit of cotton or sponge, so they sit securely at the neck of the bottle, without slipping through. Add a small amount of liquid fertilizer every couple of weeks to keep the growth strong and vibrant. For an elevated finish, tie raffia, twine, or a slim black ribbon around each bottle neck so the display feels styled rather than improvised. The result is a soil-free vertical herb garden that saves counter space, reduces mess, and gives your kitchen that fresh, airy look that feels effortlessly designer. Hack number 4. The shoe organizer pocket garden. This is one of the smartest ways to turn a small balcony, fence, or even a narrow patio wall into a productive growing space without building anything complicated. A simple hanging fabric shoe organizer becomes a vertical planting system the moment you fill each pocket with potting mix. Hang it securely on a fence, railing, or wall, then plant herbs, leafy greens, strawberries or even compact flowers in each section. Suddenly what used to hold sneakers becomes a layered garden wall that maximizes every inch of vertical space. It's especially powerful for renters or apartment dwellers who don't have ground soil to work with. To make it look intentional instead of makeshift, organize your planting in rows. Use one plant type per row, or stick to a consistent color palette so it feels cohesive and styled. If you're placing it indoors or on a covered balcony, poke small drainage holes at the bottom of each pocket and position a tray underneath to catch excess water. That small step keeps things tidy and prevents water buildup. Once the plants start filling out and spilling slightly over each pocket, the entire organizer transforms into a lush, textured living wall that feels far more elevated than its humble origin. Hack number 5. The Stackable Planter Tower. This is one of those projects that instantly makes people assume you spent serious money at a high-end garden center. But it's actually built from simple stackable planters from Dollar Tree. The magic is in how you assemble them. Slide a sturdy garden stake or a piece of rebar securely into the ground, or into a heavy decorative pot filled with gravel, then stack 4 to 6 of the planters along the pole, rotating each tier slightly as you go. That small twist creates a spiral effect that feels sculptural instead of basic. Once planted, it transforms from a few plastic containers into a vertical herb tower that looks intentional, balanced, and surprisingly upscale. To really elevate the look, spray paint every planter the same matte shade before stacking them. Think warm terracotta, soft sage green, charcoal, or even matte black. When the color is unified, the structure reads as one cohesive piece instead of separate parts. Plant trailing herbs like thyme or creeping jenny along the edges so they cascade downward, and tuck upright herbs like basil or parsley in the center for fullness. You end up with a compact vertical garden that saves space, maximizes sunlight, and gives you that lush, layered look without taking up more than a single square foot. Hack number 6. The upcycled Colander hanging planter. This one is clever because the drainage is already built in. Grab a metal or sturdy plastic colander from Dollar Tree. Line the inside with cocoa liner or a layer of moss to keep soil from slipping through. Then fill it with potting mix and your favorite trailing flowers or greenery. Attach 3 equal lengths of chain or thick jute to the handles and connect them at the top with an S-hook. When you hang it, you instantly have a floating planter that looks far more intentional than you'd expect from a kitchen item. The perforations that once strained pasta now allow excess water to escape naturally, which keeps roots healthier and prevents soggy soil. To give it a high-end finish, spray paint all your colanders in one cohesive color before planting. Matte black for a modern look, soft white for a clean aesthetic, or even antique gold for something bold. Hang them in clusters of 2 or 3 at varying heights to draw the eye upward and create vertical interest on a porch, pergola, or fence. When the plants begin to spill over the edges and soften the shape, no one will recognize the original purpose of the container. It becomes a layered dimensional display that adds height, movement, and character to your space without touching your floor area at all. Hack number 7. The Tension Rod Windowsill Garden Tower. If you've got a large window and you're not using that vertical space, this hack turns it into a living feature without drilling a single hole. Install 2 or 3 tension rods inside the window frame at staggered heights, spacing them evenly from top to bottom. Once they're secure, hang small lightweight pots using S-hooks, binder clips, or simple twine. At first glance, it looks minimal, but once you fill each level with greenery, the window transforms into a layered vertical garden that filters light beautifully and adds instant depth to the room. It's especially powerful in apartments or rentals where permanent mounting isn't an option. The real magic happens when sunlight streams through the leaves. Choose plants with trailing or delicate foliage, like pothos or string-style succulents, so the light can move through them and create that soft, glowing effect. Keep the pot style consistent so the structure feels intentional rather than busy. When arranged thoughtfully, the rods almost disappear visually, and all you see is a floating tower of greenery, framed by natural light. It becomes less of a plant setup and more of a living window installation that feels custom designed for your space. Hack number 8. The painted terracotta mosaic wall panel. This one turns simple mini terracotta pots into sculptural wall art that just happens to hold plants. Start with a wooden plaque or sturdy foam board as your base, then arrange the small terracotta pots in a clean grid or geometric pattern before gluing them securely in place. Once everything is attached, paint the entire piece, board and pots together, in one unified color. That single step is what transforms it from a craft project into something that feels modern and architectural. When the paint dries, plant small succulents or compact greenery in each pot, and suddenly you have a textured living panel that doubles as art. For an elevated finish, you can add subtle detail like a thin metallic rim around each pot, or use a textured paint to give the surface depth. Keep the color palette simple so the plants become the focal point rather than the structure itself. Mounted on an accent wall or a covered porch, this piece draws attention immediately because it's unexpected. It's not just a collection of pots, it reads as a cohesive installation, and that's what makes it look high-end while still being completely budget-friendly. Hack number 9. The Overdoor hook botanical wall. This one is perfect if you have a blank wall that feels lifeless but you don't want to drill a dozen holes or commit to something permanent. Using simple overdoor hooks, a curtain rod or wooden dowel, and a few small lightweight pots, you can create a layered botanical wall that feels soft, organic and thoughtfully styled. Mount the rod securely, then hang your pots at varying heights using jute twine so they don't all sit in a straight line. That staggered drop instantly creates movement and dimension, almost like living artwork. When the plants start trailing at different lengths, the whole display feels curated instead of cluttered. The key to making this look designer and not DIY is restraint. Don't overcrowd it. 5 to 7 pots spaced intentionally will always look more elevated than packing the rod full. Choose plants that naturally drape, like pothos or ivy, so gravity does the styling for you. Keep the pot colors consistent or within the same tone family to maintain a clean visual flow. What you're creating here isn't just a place to hold plants, it's a vertical statement piece that turns an empty wall into a soft living focal point without taking up any floor space at all. Hack number 10. The decorative trellis and climbing plant wall art. This final hack is your showstopper, perfect for creating a living installation that feels gallery-worthy. Grab a few Dollar Tree garden trellis panels and mount them flat on a wall in a geometric or slightly overlapping arrangement. Use small pots, twine or clips to weave trailing plants through the grid or secure them at intersections. Even a single type of plant, like ivy, pothos or string of pearls, can create a dramatic effect when layered across the panels. The repetition of the geometric trellis paired with lush greenery instantly gives the impression of a curated living wall installation, transforming any outdoor or indoor space into a statement feature. To elevate it further, paint the trellis panels a matte black, antique brass, or even a soft neutral before mounting. This creates a striking contrast against light walls and gives a professional editorial look. Arrange the plants strategically so some climb, some trail, and some fill small pots, adding variety and depth. Over time, as the plants grow, the installation matures into a dynamic living artwork that combines texture, color, and form. It's the perfect capstone to your vertical garden series, a hack that looks far more expensive and high-end than the simple Dollar Tree materials it's made from. And there you have it. 10 genius vertical garden hacks that transform ordinary Dollar Tree finds into stunning designer-style installations. From stackable herb towers, to floating colander planters, hanging bottle hydroponics, to decorative trellis walls, every idea is budget-friendly but visually impressive. The best part, all of these projects together cost less than $30, proving that beautiful functional garden decor doesn't have to break the bank. If you love these hacks, make sure to save this video so you can reference it on your next Dollar Tree run. Drop a comment below telling me which hack you're going to try first, indoors or outdoors, because I want to see your creative setups. And don't forget to subscribe to Timeless Gardening for more budget-friendly gardening ideas, tips and inspiration every single week. Until next time, grow beautifully, no matter your budget.